Are you looking for a laptop for Python programming? In this video, I will show you the 5 best laptop for Python programming based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the HP Spectre X360. This 5-megapixel camera includes auto-frame, so you'll always be in frame even when you need to get up and move around. The HP Spectre X360 comes with HP Palette, a creative toolkit that includes concepts for sketching and drawing, PhotoMatch to easily search photos, Duet Display for HP to turn a tablet or phone into a second screen, and HP QuickDrop to wirelessly share photos from your phone to computer. Get it all done with more viewing area on the UHD Plus OLED 16-inch display with 16:10 aspect ratio. Intel Evo platform powered by Core i7 processor. Optional NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics, Windows 11 and up to 17-hour battery life. The 4th product on the list is the Acer Predator Helios 300. Acer gaming laptops deliver advanced performance for all gamers. The Predator lineup of gaming PCs and accessories are ideal for everyday gamers who need powerful products that can handle daily use and overclocking. The Acer Predator Helios 300 PH315-54 is powered up with the latest 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, giving you power, speed, and intelligent processing when you need it most. The new NVIDIA GeForce 30 series graphics card is powered by award-winning Ampere architecture and boasts new ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multiprocessors for realistic graphics. The incredibly fast 144Hz refresh rate will keep up with your beautiful graphics in crisp Full HD for high-octane gameplay. The 3rd product on the list is the Dell XPS 15. Fully equipped with the creative tools you need to make magic happen faster and better, so your art can be pushed to the edge. The rendering of high-resolution graphics and videos accelerates with performance-class NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650Ti graphics. Equipped with 100% Adobe RGB, 94% DCI P3 color gamut, VESA Display HDR 400, and Dolby Vision, this display delivers more than 16 million ultra-vivid colors that are 40 times brighter than ever before. From dual fans separated to spread heat over a larger area, to dual heat pipes and hidden exhaust venting through the hinge, thermal design ensures you have the best performing system in the thinnest form factor possible. The 2nd product on the list is the MSI Stealth 15. Inspired by urban style, the new Stealth 15M is the thinnest and lightest 15-inch gaming laptop that comes in carbon gray or pure white. Powered by the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 with Max-Q design graphics, the Stealth 15M perfectly balances portability and performance, also with the new generation technology including PCIe Gen 4 and Thunderbolt 4. With the support of the new Cooler Boost 5 with 0.1mm thin fan blades, the Stealth 15M lets gamers and young professionals easily speed through games and daily tasks. The 1st product on the list is the LG Gram 17. Deliver necessary portability with uncompromising features on the LG Gram 17 Z95P. It has a huge 17-inch IPS display while still slim and light enough to take anywhere. At under 3 pounds and delivering near all-day battery life, this LG Gram is great to carry around for a long day of work. The 17Z95P also impresses with an Intel 11th generation i7-1195G7 CPU on the certified Intel Evo platform with Iris-Xe graphics, 16GB RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity. With Windows 11 home operating system. Stay focused no matter what. LG Gram delivers in even the toughest conditions. This laptop passes 7 tests for military-grade durability *, including shock, dust, high or low temperature, and more. And the frame is crafted with a full metal body of durable magnesium alloy. We're talking tough. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.